Jake Burns here from the Bigger Better Biz channel. I want to showcase something we've been working on is our reviews program that we built in Constant Contact. So very simply, it's a method that you can use to directly ask for reviews, to get reviews, to let's say quarantine or stop people from putting bad reviews online, so that feedback comes back to you, and then also the ability to showcase your online reviews. So let's get started, right? So first things first, what we did was we created a automation, an automated email that goes out to anybody. Let's say it's like a new client, maybe a new customer. You add them to a list, and once they're added to a list, then they automatically get this email. Once they get this email, then they're going to be taken to the next page. The alternative is, let's say that you are asking for reviews and you have it on the side of your van and you say, review us or give us your feedback. Or, as in the case of a realtor, let's say you put this QR code on the booklet that you hand out at closing, whatever it might be, another way that you can get people to your reviews landing page. And like I said, we start out by how do we get people to something? That is by email. That is by QR code. You can have a link on your website to review us. Once we have people going to somewhere, we want them to go to a landing page. We created this landing page in Constant Contact. We can do that for you too if you want. You just have to scroll down below and you can check out our program. But you can build this out in Constant Contact. The way it works is very simple, and it works for a year. And then you have to copy the page and do it again in Constant Contact. The way it works is simple. Somebody gets this page and they're going to click 1 to 3 stars. Once they click 1 to 3 stars, it's going to go to a feedback form, and I'll show you those in a second. If they click on 4 or 5 stars, it's going to go and it's going to take them to Google, to Zillow, to wherever you want them to go to post a review. So it's going to go to the main place that you want reviews to go. So like I mentioned, the first 3 go to a feedback form. That feedback form can be done one of 2 ways. If you're an Email Plus, in Constant Contact, you can create a survey. In that survey, you add the questions you want to have and then submit feedback. That way, if somebody has a bad review, that 1 to 3 star review, you don't want them posting that on Google necessarily. You want to find out what the issue was so that you can resolve it. So that way you have the 1 to 3 stars. Once they click, it goes to the review feedback form. Now, if you're an email core in Constant Contact, the other alternative is to have them go to a form, essentially a sign-up form that you turn into a submit feedback form. Same concept, you have to create a couple of custom fields. Once you do that, then you can create this page and have it work pretty much the same way as the review feedback survey. The review feedback survey just a little more, slick, and obviously works a little better, and you can track results a little better. So again, what's the concept here? The concept is that you have people using a QR code or an email. They're getting an email from Constant Contact, and they're being taken to a page. On that page, we're separating the good from the bad. 1 to 3 stars is not so great, so we want them to go to a feedback form. And 4 or 5 stars is going to take them to go to Zillow or Google, wherever you want them to post an online review. Just like I did right there, click the link 4 or 5 stars. It's going to pop up and it's going to give me the ability to give a review directly in line here on Google. So hopefully that helps. If you need some help with this, like I mentioned, just scroll right down and we have a form there that you can fill out and we'll be happy to help you out. Or you can do it yourself. And, obviously if you have any questions, reach out to us at Jake, Jake, at bjcbranding.com. All right. Thanks so much. See you next time.